go to sleep.
You cheeky bugger.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a ball of love.
Oh, it's letting you go.
Nice. Ow. Stop. Hey. Hey. I'm a piranha. Okay, you're not, actually.
Frank. Frank, you cannot do that. Frank, you can't do this.
Look it, we're helping you. Go, buddy. You can do it.
No. No. Get off the counter.
Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now.
Just a little bitty donkey. My dad used to rock me.
Come on, you got this. Step on your...
I don't know, guys.
Hi. Oh, you're a beautiful baby. But, oh, Chico. Chico. Good morning, Chico.
Aww.
Go ahead and jump and oh dang it. Okay, let's try again. Back it up and jump and dang it. Let's see. Oh I did it!
It's pretty cold. Così nella noce.
Susa, are you gonna come in? Is Jade not letting you in, Zuzu? Hi, Zuzu.
Dog food. Who got into that? Who got into the dog food? I can see you even though your eyes are closed.
Loves it, eh? That's awesome.
Went up and down in about 20 times already.
Hey, I identified it that a few times.
Her face is hilarious when she does it.
Did you just eat an entire carton of eggs?
That's not what I meant at all.
Really good! Alright! If you want to watch more of my videos, compared to those flowers.
We have a very special guest on board today.